Sanbonani. I just want to share this reflection today. We are wired up uniquely. We may share the same talents, the same gifts. We may be called into the same areas, but for our human spirit to be able to endure a journey or a path that spirit is called to walk, it is so important to understand that you are wired uniquely. God has wired you up uniquely for your own path, for your own lane. You often hear people saying, stay in your lane, or something like that. It's a spirit, it's a bird, it's a very destructive spirit. It's a spirit that delays us, a spirit of thinking that if we are all sibizwele into teaching, therefore indlela zethu kumele zifane to get to this teaching. Sibizelwe into medicine, indlela zethu kumele zifane to get to this medicine. Sibizelwe into music, therefore if one sells a million totally platinum, therefore I must also, because talented, so too we are both gifted in the music space. No, we are wired differently. We are wired differently by God, and once we can understand that, then angeke sifole prey to this demon of competing, to this demon of seeking validation, to this demon of getting tired along the path and along the way. Once you have really figured out what your calling is, what you are called for, why you are here, what your talent is, what your passion is, what your gift is, understand ukuthi everything that will happen empilweni yakho, every experience and konke la uzodlula khona, it's necessary for your own soul ascension. At the end of the day, konke, it's about awakening that higher self, so that it gift leonayo, so that whatever call or talent you are able to handle it and deal with it. You are able to express it. You are able to express this God-given gift or talent in a manner ekumele wena uyi-expresse ngayo, not because abanye bayenza kanje and siphiwe ngendlela efanayo noma siphiwe talent elifanayo. My sister is doing it this way, or my whoever is doing it this way. Why mina ngafiki ngalesikhathi afike ngaso? Why kwami kungangenzeki ngale pace? You are doing yourself a disservice. It's just a reminder that these are some of the challenges, these are some of the shadows esihlangabezana nazo as we ascend to this higher self. The higher self is the most authentic. You know, if you can understand ukuthi everything yenzakala konke, it is so that you can awaken loya muntu wadalwa uNkulunkulu, because we got tainted. We are in a process, we are in a journey of remembering who you are. You are in a process, I am in a process, we are in a journey of awakening the original person. And that original person angeke as a wired same way as the next person. Noma ngaba iziphiwo zingafana, noma ngaba amatalente angafana. Therefore the road, the journey, the path will not be the same. It is so important to own your journey, your story, to own your experiences, your story. It is so important to accept your experiences, your story, and your journey as your own, not comparing it to whoever that you are with, evasithi or esikolweni or training or emsebenzini, no, angeke kwafana. Another thing esizihlukumeza ngayo, we have this tendency of feeling like we need to explain ourselves, we need to explain our paths, our journeys and our experiences to abantu esiphilisana nabo, abantu esihamba nabo, abantu esihlala nabo, even our parents. My mother they have the best of wishes for us as their children, but my mom can never live my journey for me, can never live my life for me. My mom can wish to take away certain experiences, but she can never. Everything I went through, I had to go through for the ascension yomoya wami, ye soul yami, for the awakening of the higher self, so that I can get to understand my soul mission, so that I can get to be okay and content with the path, so that I can be content even phakathi kwabanye abantu with saying, I am so and so. This does not define me. I went through 1, 2, 3. This and this and this have been part of the experience, human experience, yami, according to how God wired things up for me, and be okay and not feel like I am less off because I am talking to people who did not go through something that I went through. It's so important. Our stories are very important, and even when we tell them, let us not tell them making our wounds the center and the focus of our stories, making our wounds who we are, making our experiences, especially the ones that were uncomfortable, the ones that were not nice, let them not be your title, let them not define you. Let us understand we are wired up in a unique way. Go out there in your unique gift and be a beautiful expression of God's love and God's creation.